Fortune Alchemy Simulation. Manipulate your reality. Achieve abundance and higher self-communication. Greetings, my friends. Today, we embark on a profound exploration of the ancient art of fortune alchemy, a realm where the very fabric of reality bends to the will of the self-empowered individual. This is a journey of self-discovery, where we will uncover the hidden mechanisms that govern the flow of abundance and prosperity in our lives. Let us begin by acknowledging the fundamental truth that every human being possesses an innate capacity for greatness. Within each of us, there lies a well of untapped potential, a divine spark that yearns to be ignited and unleashed upon the world. It is this spark that serves as the catalyst for the alchemical transformation we seek to ignite. Now, you may ask, what is this elusive fortune alchemy that you speak of? In essence, it is the art of consciously shaping our reality through the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It is the realization that we are not mere passive observers of the world, but rather active co-creators of our own destinies. Through the practice of fortune alchemy, we learn to harness the inherent creative power that resides within us and channel it towards the manifestation of our deepest desires and aspirations. This is not mere wishful thinking or blind faith, but a systematic, step-by-step process of aligning our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with the universal principles of abundance and prosperity. One of the fundamental pillars of fortune alchemy is the recognition that our external circumstances are merely a reflection of our internal landscape. The state of our finances, the abundance or scarcity we experience, and the opportunities that present themselves to us are all directly influenced by the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions we hold within. By consciously cultivating a mindset of abundance, we open the floodgates to a perpetual flow of prosperity in all areas of our lives. But how, you may wonder, do we cultivate this mindset of abundance? It begins with a deep, introspective exploration of our own personal narratives, the stories we tell ourselves about our worthiness, our capabilities, and our deservedness of wealth and success. These narratives, shaped by our past experiences, societal conditioning, and limiting beliefs, can often serve as the greatest barriers to our alchemical transformation. Through the practice of self-reflection and conscious reframing, we can begin to dismantle these limiting narratives and replace them with empowering beliefs that serve as the foundation for our alchemical work. We must ask ourselves probing questions, such as, what beliefs are holding me back from experiencing true abundance? And how can I reframe my perceptions to align with the wealth and prosperity I desire? As we delve deeper into this process, we come to understand that the realm of fortune alchemy is not merely about the accumulation of material wealth, but rather the cultivation of a profound sense of inner abundance, a deep, abiding feeling of wholeness, self-worth, and connection to the infinite source of creation. This is where the true magic of fortune alchemy begins to unfold. When we shift our focus from the external pursuit of wealth to the internal cultivation of a mindset of abundance, we unlock a portal to a realm of infinite possibility. We become magnets for synchronicity, serendipity, and the effortless manifestation of our desires. But this is not a mere passive process. It requires a deep commitment to the ongoing work of self-exploration, self-mastery, and the conscious co-creation of our reality. It is a journey of discipline, patience, and unwavering faith in the inherent wisdom of the universe. So I ask you, are you ready to embark on this alchemical journey? Are you willing to confront the limiting beliefs that have held you back and to step into the fullness of your authentic power as a co-creator of your reality? The choice is yours. and the rewards are beyond measure. Mastering the energetic alchemy of abundance. As we delve deeper into the realm of fortune alchemy, we must now turn our attention to the energetic foundations that underpin the manifestation of abundance and prosperity. For it is not enough to merely shift our mindset and reframe our beliefs. We must also cultivate a deep understanding of the subtle energies that flow through and around us, and learn to harness them in service of our alchemical transformation. At the heart of this energetic alchemy lies the principle of resonance, the fundamental law of the universe that dictates that like attracts like. Just as a tuning fork will resonate in sympathy with another tuning fork of the same frequency, so too do our thoughts, emotions, and actions resonate with corresponding energetic vibrations in the quantum field of consciousness. When we align our internal energetic state with the vibration of abundance, we become magnets for the very experiences, resources, and opportunities we seek to manifest. Conversely, when we harbor feelings of scarcity, lack, and limitation, we inadvertently repel the very abundance we desire. It is a delicate dance, this energetic alchemy, requiring a keen awareness of the ebbs and flows of our inner landscape. To master this art, we must first cultivate a deep understanding of the energy centers within our own bodies, the chakras, as they are known in the ancient yogic traditions. These vortexes of subtle energy serve as the gateways through which the universal life force, or prana, flows, nourishing and sustaining our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By tuning in to the rhythmic pulsations of these energy centers, we can begin to discern the areas within ourselves that are in need of balancing and harmonization. Perhaps the solar plexus chakra, associated with personal power and self-esteem, is blocked, inhibiting our ability to fully step into our abundance. Or perhaps the heart chakra, the wellspring of unconditional love and connection, is in need of a gentle opening, allowing us to more deeply receive the blessings of the universe. Through the practice of meditation, breathwork, and energy-based healing modalities, we can consciously work to align and activate these chakras, clearing the pathways for the unimpeded flow of abundance-infused prana. As we do so, we begin to feel a profound shift, a lightness of being, a heightened sense of intuition, and a deep, abiding sense of trust in the benevolence of the universe. But the energetic alchemy of abundance does not end there. We must also cultivate a keen awareness of the subtle energies that permeate our immediate environment, as well as the collective field of consciousness in which we are all immersed. By consciously directing our attention to the vibrations of our surroundings, we can become adept at identifying and aligning ourselves with the most supportive and nourishing energetic currents. Perhaps you find that the energy in your workspace feels stagnant and heavy, hindering your productivity and creativity. Or maybe you notice that certain social gatherings leave you feeling drained and depleted, while others fill you with a renewed sense of vitality and inspiration. By tuning in to these subtle energetic cues, we can make conscious choices that support and amplify the alchemical work we are doing within. Through this multifaceted approach to energetic alchemy, we begin to understand that the manifestation of abundance is not merely a matter of positive thinking or visualization. It is a holistic, embodied practice that requires us to harmonize the energetic, emotional, and mental planes of our being. It is a dance of conscious co-creation, where we collaborate with the very fabric of reality to bring our desires into physical form. The alchemical symphony of abundance and manifestation. Now that we have explored the foundational principles of energetic alchemy and the critical role that our internal and external energetic landscapes play in the manifestation of abundance, it is time to delve even deeper into the intricate choreography of the abundance alchemist. For you see, the true mastery of fortune alchemy lies not just in the individual practices and techniques we employ, but in our ability to weave them together into a harmonious, symphonic whole. It is akin to the conductor of a grand orchestra, expertly guiding each instrument and section to create a breathtaking, multi-layered composition that captivates the senses and stirs the soul. In the same way, the abundance alchemist must become the conductor of their own alchemical symphony, seamlessly blending the various elements of their practice into a cohesive and powerful expression of their desired reality. At the foundation of this alchemical symphony lies the unwavering commitment to our vision and the steady cultivation of a mindset of abundance. Like the steady beat of the drums, this commitment and mindset provide the backbone upon which all other elements can be built. Layered atop this foundation are the intricate melodies of our energetic work, the harmonization of our chakras, the conscious direction of our attention, and the invocation of supportive energetic currents. These melodic lines weave and intertwine, creating a rich tapestry of vibrant, life-affirming energy that permeates every aspect of our being. But the alchemical symphony does not stop there, for just as a great orchestra features a diverse array of instruments, each contributing its own unique voice and timbre, so too must the abundance alchemist incorporate a multitude of complementary practices and modalities into their work. Perhaps it is the staccato rhythms of manifestation techniques, such as visualization, affirmation, and intention setting, that provide the momentum and drive to propel our desires forward. Or maybe it is the soulful harmonies of gratitude, celebration, and self-love that open the floodgates for the nourishing waters of abundance to flow. And let us not forget the powerful counter-melodies of shadow work and the transmutation of limiting beliefs, the dissonant notes that, when skillfully woven into the larger composition, serve to deepen and enrich the overall tapestry of our alchemical symphony. As we continue to hone our craft, we may even find ourselves incorporating unexpected elements into the mix, the percussive beats of physical movement and embodiment, the ethereal layers of energetic clearing and protection, or the soaring harmonies of sacred ritual and ceremony. It is through this alchemical symphony, this masterful orchestration of diverse energetic, mental, and emotional elements, that we unlock the true potency of fortune alchemy. For it is not enough to simply pluck a single instrument. We must become the virtuosos of the entire ensemble, conducting the dance of abundance and manifestation with grace, precision, and unbridled passion. The alchemical ascension, mastering the infinite spiral of abundance. As we reach the crescendo of our alchemical symphony, we find ourselves poised on the precipice of a profound transformation, a transfiguration that will propel us into realms of abundance and manifestation that we had only dared to dream of. For you see, the true mastery of fortune alchemy is not found in the mere accumulation of wealth, material possessions, or even the fulfillment of our immediate desires. No, the ultimate triumph of the alchemist lies in their ability to transcend the linear confines of the physical world and to tap into the infinite, spiraling energies of the universe itself. It is here, in this realm of cosmic consciousness, that we unlock the deepest secrets of abundance, not as a static, finite state, but as a perpetual, ever-evolving dance of creation, expansion, and renewal. Picture, if you will, a vast, spiraling galaxy, its swirling arms tracing the celestial choreography of birth, growth, and transformation. This, my friends, is the true nature of abundance, a dynamic, ever-unfolding process that mirrors the very rhythms of the cosmos. And it is in this alchemical ascension, this journey of spiritual and energetic awakening, that we discover the true keys to unlocking the limitless potential that resides within us all. For as we align our consciousness with the infinite spiral of abundance, we begin to shed the shackles of scarcity, fear, and self-doubt that have so long held us back. We transcend the narrow confines of the ego and merge our awareness with the vast, interconnected tapestry of the universe. It is in this state of expanded consciousness that we unlock the true power of our manifestation abilities, for we no longer see ourselves as separate from the abundance that we seek to create. We become the living, breathing embodiment of the very energies we wish to summon forth, a conduit for the divine flow of prosperity, opportunity, and grace. And as we continue to spiral upward, ascending ever higher into the realms of alchemical mastery, we find that the very nature of our desires begins to shift. No longer do we cling to the finite and the material, but we embrace the infinite, the expansive, and the ever-evolving. Our focus turns to the nurturing of our spiritual growth, the cultivation of our intuitive faculties, and the deepening of our connection to the unseen forces that govern the universe. For it is here, in the realm of the mystical and the metaphysical, that we discover the true wellspring of abundance. A wellspring that is not bound by the constraints of time, space, or physical limitation. And so, as we stand at the pinnacle of our alchemical ascension, let us raise our voices in a final, triumphant crescendo, a symphony of gratitude, wonder, and unwavering faith in the infinite potential that resides within us all. For we are the masters of fortune alchemy, the conductors of the celestial symphony, the alchemists who have unlocked the secrets of the cosmos and harnessed the power of the infinite spiral. And as we continue to spiral ever upward, we know that the abundance that awaits us is not merely a destination, but a never-ending journey of transformation, expansion, and limitless creation. So, my friends, let us take our places at the helm of this alchemical orchestra and let the symphony of our lives resound throughout the universe, inspiring all who hear it to embrace the infinite spiral of abundance and to ascend to the heights of their own alchemical mastery.